Hi, myself Avinash Keshav, working at Prolim as application engineer for Mentor IC products. In this particular video, we will just have an overview of ASIC design implementations, and further we will see what all the ASIC design trends being followed across the industry. So these are increase in embedded processor cores, increase in asynchronous clock domains, SoC also considering security features on it, and further safety critical designs, following one or more standards, industry standards, to ensure the safety of our SoCs. Implementation challenges and hurdles we are coming across in terms of power, performance, and area, which are interdependent to each other. Talking about power, we come across increased leakage power with lower nodes technologies. Sinking of interconnect metal wire also leads to more switching power, causing to more power consumptions. Talking about performance, which means speeds, faster processing speeds lead to more switching and further it causes more power consumptions. Similarly, the simulation-based techniques are also unable to keep up with today's growing complexity. Area, in terms of area, the challenge we have to deal with the conditions and signal integrity and achieve a required balance between these two. Huge number of standard cells placement on the small area, their hierarchical pin assignments and custom libraries are also few of the challenges we come across. So what we should be doing about it? We can easily figure it out that power, performance, and area, these all three parameters are interdependent. So we can only do that, we can look for a sweet spot out of these three. And the solutions could be to get and better EDA solutions, to achieve an RTL-based automated design space exploration, work on what-if analysis solutions at higher level abstraction itself, further need to approach new advanced node pre-route and post-route correlations and power-centric optimizations. So what we can do for end-to-end solutions in the area of ASIC design and verifications. So here we can see that it starts right from the high-level synthesis, further it goes to RTL, netlist, layout, and sign-off. So for these all aspects, we have tools from the house of Mentor. For design implementations, we have Catapult for high-level synthesis, RTL to netlist generations. The synthesis part we can cover with the OSS along with the Tessent for DFT purposes, and for digital implementation we have Nitro SoC. Physical verification is achieved by the Calibre, which is an industry sign-off tool, and aided with Blue Waves for power integrity, and Optimus gives us sign-off static timing analysis. For power optimizations and analysis, we also have Power Pro, Questa, Velos Strato, an emulation platform. And for the verification, advanced verification requirements, we have Questa solutions, Catapult solutions, Questa formal apps, Velos Strato solutions we are readily available from the Mentor house. So how these solutions fit into a ASIC design workflow? So our ASIC design workflow starts right from the high-level synthesis, be it C, C++, or System C, which is being widely practiced across the industry these days. And this Catapults gives us a highly reliable RTL design, and using PowerFlow, we can further optimize for power, and that RTL is provided to our synthesis tool post verification for generating gate level netlist. And our synthesis tool is OSS, aided with PowerFlow for logic equivalence checking. Tessent is the solutions from Mentor for DFT needs, as we know that a design which is not testable is not manufacturable at all. And for digital implementations, we have tool Nitro SoC, which is one of the industry leading solutions for digital implementations. Talking about sign-off part, we have Bluewave for power integrity analysis, Calibre solutions for extractions, beat parasitics, Optimus solutions for static timing analysis, and Calibre again for DRC and LVS result. And these tool sets give us sign of standard analysis. And finally, we can reach to graphical data stream information interchange stage. So we can say that Mentor provides the solutions right from C, RTL, netlist, and take it up to GDS2. Talking about foundry support, Mentor collaborates with virtually all foundries. So we need not to worry about the foundry support. Then should we explore further? If yes, please feel to contact us. Thank you very much for watching this video.